Oh, boy. Hey, boy, that bitch feel like a cat, boy. Boy, that bitch feel like a cat, boy. What the fuck? Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? It's your boy Cari Beats back with another POV, man. As y'all can see, we outside with it, man. Cutting up. We'll try to do a little cutting up and see how the car drive in the coldest weather ever, man. Look at it, 16 degrees, Cari crew. 16 degrees, bro. Come on, man. Nothing else to be said. Just imagine whatever the coldest ever been in your city. Just imagine it colder with the wind blowing. You know what I'm saying? That what the car say. It's 16. It's like 15 on the news, but car crazy, man. Y'all can see we got the heat on. I know y'all probably hear it in the wind blowing a little bit in the camera. Got the heat on, man. Nice little 80 degrees. Nice little sunny day. It look good outside. But it's colder than a mother. You know what I'm saying? Cold as. But yeah, man, if you new, man, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. I did not know I put this in Columbia. I did not mean to do that. But yeah, man, y'all can also see what we got, man. Traction all the way off in cold weather, man. Look, let me show y'all these scats. Y'all don't want to mess with these Mopar, bro, when they running cold, man. Look at that, man. Look at that. Hold on. 39 degrees, 37 intake. I mean, that mug, you know what I'm saying? That mug pulling. She pulling. She nice and warmed up. You know what I'm saying? Nice and warmed up, man. Hand temperature be dropping like crazy. That mother just at 2 something. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, just a nice little, I don't even know, man. I'm coming out the door with it cold, bro. I'm just giving y'all this video. It vlogmas, you know what I'm saying? I know how to miss today. I broke the street, so I kind of don't have to try to post every day. Now I kind of done broke the street. But still, though, you know what I'm saying? The video coming, because that's natural. Without vlogging, I'm still posting, you know what I'm saying? Every week, you know what I'm saying? More than once a week. I don't even know where to go. Let me go this way. I went that way before already, but I'm trying to go so well I can get a little, you know what I'm saying, get a little pulls in, man. You know what I'm saying, whatever like that. Sorry about the energy, it's just cold, man. I'm turning that heat, put this on the floorboard or something. I'm trying to hurt a nigga. They're trying to hurt a nigga, man. Man, we in custom mode, by the way. I can't change it, dang. Let me put it in sport. Turn the traction back all the way out. I ain't cheating, y'all, I ain't cheating. Turn the traction back all the way out. I ain't trying to burn too much gas. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But now we back. We back in action, man. We finna see, man, cold. I had hit the gas in drive mode, bro. Like regular drive in eco, and they try to get a little swirl. I barely hit the gas. Like, I was like, barely hit the gas, bro. Like, it's that cold. I can just imagine y'all Hellcat on this right now. Ooh. That boy scared to drive that cat, not me. I still be out there driving like it's a summer day. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to drive that thing. You gotta know how to drive that thing, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to drive that bitch. I'm finna change my damn steering wheel. I can't even change it to track. Wow. Not in sport. That lame. Sport steering kind of, I don't know, it like taking forever. Sport steering kind of like, it's firm, but it ain't that firm compared to track. I like track better. But track sometimes you gotta use a little muscle. You gotta use a little muscle with track. As soon as I get over here, you know what I'm saying? I hit a folk, man. And it probably might be the first POV for real where we got the windows up, bro. It's cold, car crew. Like, let me get y'all niggas a little. Hold on. Y'all niggas a little. I'm so scared. I know that motherfucking spin. I'm gonna go slow. Oh, boy. Hey, boy, that bitch feel like a cat, boy. Boy, that bitch feel like a cat, boy. What the fuck? Hey, I ain't even flow that bill up. That 40 road dangerous, cuz. And where did they go by? I ain't floored that time. I should there early. But that first one, y'all seen that? Hey, that first one, but that big guy wicked. I still end up cracking the window a little bit for y'all, bro. It just is, you can't, like, you gotta hear it, bro. Like, at least once or twice, you gotta hear it, bro. Just a little bit. The windows, so you can hear the engine, but you gotta hear that exhaust, bro. That junk crazy. I'm still not flowing. See, the other time I hit that bit kind of hard. Cause I wanted to get swilly, but not too swilly. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Just a little bit, Cari crew. But yeah, man, the cold, but them run so good. I gotta see what you talking about in the cold, though. I've been waiting when it get cold. When that intake temperature get that cool, bro, slow down. You just holding the gear, like, slow down, it's like a damn shit, man. Yeah. Uh-huh. It's just so crazy how that car be getting warm so fast, bro. That be the crazy part. Oh, y'all need to check my antifreeze. Hey, make sure y'all check y'all antifreeze, but it's that freezing weather. You got number water in your antifreeze tank, bro. But your ass in trouble. But you better put some antifreeze in that bit. Or some baby oil or something. To keep that bit from getting cold, but hey. But that bit not gonna cut it, but water will freeze, but I know a lot of y'all probably know that for all the smart ones in here, but the ones that don't know that, any car, I don't matter if you got a Scat or a Honda, but if you know you've been putting water in that bit the whole summer and you ain't put no antifreeze in that bit, but you might want to go check that bit, but I'm telling you, you might want to go check it, but the antifreeze you need it. Let me do a little third gear pull. Bro, it's just crazy. And what I love about it being cold, when your car do get warm, bro, it get cold, right back cool, so like so quick, like it don't take long. Like that junk is crazy. That junk crazy car. Give y'all a quick little short, you know what I'm saying, short little POV drive, man. I'm gonna start making some of these like shorter. You know what I'm saying? Cause sometimes I be having an extra 15, 20 minutes. It just depends on what I'm doing or if I got the head mount on, but when it be like little quick stuff, man, I just be trying to show y'all a little something, man, tapping in. I ain't like that, hold on. I'm gonna let y'all hear it one time. I ain't gonna stab it, I'm rolling to it. Good Lord, let me hit the down shit, hold on. Good Lord. Cari crew, man, I roll the window down for y'all every time I say I don't. I'm not gonna do it. But y'all just gotta hear it. So when I get a cat, bro, I ain't gonna lie, Cari crew, when I get a cat, bro, I'm probably not rolling the window down for a while. I'm probably not rushing no mid-muffler delete. I see why most of my partners I know, they be having the cat. Some that really be tripping about all that modification stuff, bro. And they like leave the exhaust stop for a while. Cause bro, and leaving it stop for a while, cause bro, that whine, like cause a cat, bro, these cars stop. The stop exhaust, bro, they still make noise. Like when I had my car, Olivia was popping. The first day I got it, like leaving off a lot, like I wasn't even trying to make it pop. I was just cruising to the crib. It was nighttime. I was trying to get my first drive later. You know what I'm saying? So. yeah, man, like, I'm tripping. But yeah, man, my car, like, I'm talking about pop, all that, like, stop, like, full cats, mid-muffler, lead resonator, everything, it just popped. You know what I'm saying? It popped, it sounded good. When you crank it on a cold start sounded like a warm start, mid-muffler delete. You know what I'm saying? But you can hear, obviously, the muffler technology just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But it still was heavy. Like, you can crank that bill up in the house and you'll still hear it. You know what I'm saying? With the stock is off, you'll still hear it. But yeah, man, I see why they be letting it, you know what I'm saying? They don't rush. Some people don't rush into it with the exhaust and the cats, bro. You still can hear the whine with a mid-muffler delete. Like, the whine is there, it's right in front of you. But, bro, like, you just got it like that, and the windows up, like, now, like, just imagine me downshift, y'all had a little, you know what I'm saying? Even though, you know what I'm saying? That shit gonna sound so crazy, car crew, bro. Hey, man, I can't wait, man. It seemed like a dream that you can't really touch when you know what I'm saying, you ain't plotting it step by step right now. It's just, you know, when you get your ducks in a row, man, and everything together, you gonna have that, man. You gotta keep that faith, man. That faith hard. You gotta have that patience, car crew, bro. Hard, bro. I tell you, patience is so hard, bro. Patience is so hard, bro. When you're rich or broke, patience hard. But yeah, man, traction all the way up. I gotta get y'all a first gear pull, bro, so you can really see how wicked it get, bro. Look at that Challenger. Let's see, man. Hold on. I'm scared. This first gear pull gonna be stupid. Where these cars go by. And we in Mexico, man. Everybody just busy today. She sounds so powerful when the windows up, cause you can't hear nothing but the exhaust. Slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Yeah. I tried to hit it, man. When it be cold, bro, it shifts so fast you would miss it, bro. Cause like, these cars got they got a slight lag. All cars got it, bro. The computer got a slight lag when it comes to you pressing these and when it actually shift. Cause it's a computer, bro, programmed to shift when it's the safest. Like, just watch. I'm gonna say shift and then watch how later do it. Shift. Like, it's like, you can't tell on camera, but like, you do it, bro, you be like, I've been pressing button like, you know what I'm saying, almost half a second ago now. Like, what? See how fast my hand just come out that bit? Damn, he ain't do it. He ain't do it. Don't leave it folded on like this. Oh, it still ain't do it. Cold, I don't try to let it red line too much. You know what I'm saying? I said I can make the video short, it's still about 12 minutes, car crew. But yeah, man, that's just me. Hold on, let me get y'all a little sound check one more. Ooh, that wind cold. But yeah, man, you want to give y'all a slight little pull, man, and live on this nice cold day, bro. It's cold. It went up because of the heat from the engine, but 15, 16 degrees with the wind blowing, man. But yeah, man, that's a nice little POV for y'all vlogging, man. It's Christmas Eve right now. By the way, I forgot. Excuse me, man. Merry Christmas Eve, car crew. Christmas is tomorrow. I don't know if I'm obviously recording tomorrow. I think I'm dropping this. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm dropping this tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve. But hey, Merry Christmas, car crew. You know what I'm saying? Merry Christmas, happy holiday, good blessing, all that, man. I hope y'all got something you wanted for Christmas or able just to spend time with your family on Christmas, man. Be alive to see Christmas, you know what I'm saying? And for my religious folks, you know, it's Jesus' birthday, man, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow. But the day when y'all see it, you know what I'm saying, it's his birthday, so, you know what I'm saying? For all my religious folks, man, happy birthday, Lord, you know what I'm saying? Thank you, Lord, for everything you've done for me. I appreciate it, as always, and I ask you to continue to do it, man. And keep me safe, man. Amen, amen, you know what I'm saying? But hey, car crew, that gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. Like I said, to give y'all a nice little cutting up POV with traction all the way off, you know what I'm saying? With the temperature, freezing temperatures, bro, under 20 degrees in the south, man, in the south. Hopefully it snow this year. I promise you, I got a banger if it snow, boy. Just snow enough to where like most of the stuff white. It ain't gotta be just caked up like Detroit. But snowing up, boy, I can get out here and get wicked safely though, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like I said at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Ooh. Look at that, that's a CCFV. Do that milestone, do that goal, man, the sky's the limit and you can touch it, bro. Stay down, keep the patience, keep that faith, build that faith, you know what I'm saying? And also, man, for all my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't give up on him. Like I always say, man, don't give up on him, bro. It's hard. He show you stuff for a reason. He put you through things for a reason sometimes to allow you to learn. Or you may be hard-headed with something else. Anything, bro. But you can turn it around. It's just don't get in too deep. Keep your sense, keep your sanity, you know what I'm saying? But also, Cari crew, man, like I say, also not the end of my video, man. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.
Running my car ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish.